Daily or every 8 hours is maintenance. Upper machinery. Before performing work, read the operation and maintenance manual for operation details. Inspection items are as shown in the table. Fuel and hydraulic lines. Check the fuel and hydraulic lines for damage and leak. All fuel and hydraulic lines should be inspected on upper machinery. Carefully wipe off any fuel splashed onto the engine or its parts. Otherwise it may cause a fire. If fuel or hydraulic oil leak is observed, repair leak and remove adhered fuel oil immediately. Engine. Start the engine to confirm proper starting condition and listen for unusual noise. Hose, piping and connector. Check the hose, piping and connector, etc. for oil leaks and damage. All hose, piping and connector should be inspected on upper machinery. Swing brake. With the swing brake switch in the engaged position, operate the swing control lever to confirm the swing brake is functioning properly. When the swing brake is engaged, swinging is not possible. Ensure no personnel and obstacles are within the rear end radius of swing and beneath the attachment. Sound horn signal warn personnel surroundings. As to the stability and swing to avoid the machine turnover, refer to the operator's manual. Swing lock. Confirm that the swing lock pin is inserted smoothly and can be held being pulled out. Check the lock pin and rod for deformation. Control lever, control pedal. Check the control lever and control pedal for unusual play and for damage. Special procedures are required for repair. Contact authorized Kobelco distributor for repair. Gantry and MAST. Check the gantry and MAST for damage. Check the sheave for damage. Horn, work light and wiper. Confirm that the horn, work light and wiper operate normally by operating the switches. Air cleaner. Clogging of air element is detected with air cleaner sensor. Check if the error code MC1W10 is displayed on the ML monitor. MC1W10 is displayed. Clean or replace the element. Pin. Lincoln cotter pin. Check the pin, Lincoln cotter pin for damage and to determine if they are loose or missing. Bolt and nut. Check the bolt and nut to determine if they are loose or missing. Hook overhoist preventive device. At the inspection, limit switch may have already been actuated. Pull the limit switch once and set it to safe condition and then inspect as follows. Lift up the limit switch weight hanging rope. Confirm if the indication of hook figure turns to red color and display warning message on the load safety device display area in the monitor. After that, pull the hanging rope and confirm the warning message will be disappeared. Boom overhoist preventive device. Press the limit switch roller located on the right-hand boom foot by hand. Confirm if the indication of boom angle, work radius, boom and backstop figures turns to red color and display warning message on the load safety device display area in the monitor. Load safety device, monitor. Check the crane configuration and indication are matched with actual machine. Confirm that operation is automatically stopped. Verify that no errors are displayed on the monitor. For details on warning and error indications, refer to the operator's manual. Drum lock. Confirm the drum lock is functioned properly when the drum lock knob placed at lock position. When the drum lock placed release position, push down fully. Confirm the clearance has 20 mm or more between drum lock pawl and drum latchet. Window glass, step, handle and guard. Always clean the window glass, step, handle and guard, etc. Immediately remove any grease and oil. Refer to the operator's manual for each detailed section. Drum brake disc, front and rear. Check the wear of the brake disc with the indicator. Be sure to lower the hook block onto the ground to prevent it from dropping abruptly. Turn the free fall lock master key located in the monitor standby pass switch panel to release side. Push the drum brake select switch on the drum control lever. The free fall indication lamp in the monitor lights up to indicate that entering to the free fall mode. If the free fall mode is selected, the indicator is protruded by approximately 21 mm. Stop the engine and press the indicator. If the indicator protrudes from the end face by approximately 8 mm, the brake disc is normal. If the protrude length of the indicator is 5 mm or shorter, indicator recess disappears, hoisting may become difficult. In such case, replace the brake disc by contacting with authorized Kobelco distributor. Rust, painting condition. Apply Touch P paint to the place where the paint is peeled off. If the rust has appeared, remove the rust thoroughly.